Traders, it's Anthony here. I've got a couple of markups on this chart. I want to show you this. It's the euro dollar. This one here is a daily. I'll just go out quickly and I'll show you what I've done. So it's definitely a level of interest. We've got this distribution level on the daily down at trades, and you just want to keep an eye on that. Don't be surprised at some stage this finds its way back, something like that. So just be a little bit careful. I'm inclined to consider this a possibility probably Friday. You know, if this gives us a another opportunity today around here, don't be surprised you see it take out stops at the end of the week, Friday and Monday. So I just keep that in mind, and I think with this setup at the moment, that's a level of interest. But if we come down to the 4-hour chart, I don't mind this setup here for a day trade opportunity today if it plays out. So we've got this balance area through here, and this green candle distribution, down we go. You don't want to be selling at that level, but I would be considering a short position up in here, probably even start from here, set my stop loss above. In fact, do something like that just for today and go for broke with that. What I'm considering is, if I just grab my I think this little tool here somewhere where I can draw a trend line, that'll do. I'd go in with a small position here, limit sell, and I tend to layer in a couple more above. Okay, so if this is 0.1% of my account, each of these, there's 0.3, that's 3 of them. But these two above here give me the opportunity. In fact, I'd even take them up a little higher. Here's the thing. All right, if this fills, well and good. I'm fine with that. We're in, and you know, we've got an opportunity. If this happens to trade higher and these fill, what that does is it gives me the option to cancel out in the money around here. I kind of use this as a bit of a safety stop loss kind of thing, even though I've got a hard stop set up here. It gives me the option, like if this trades up and it breaks this high, I'm not sure whether I want to stay in this trade, right? So then I can bail at around here and be in the money. That's the option. Or, you know, you can kind of stay in it and that happens, right? So that's how I kind of set up these trades. It's extended. I'm not going to go in at a market sell here. Limit orders above, stop loss up here. Just keep in mind we're heading into the end of the week, and you know, that could be a thing as well. So just watch out for that. There's always risk involved. Not financial advice, but I think that more or less paints the picture. Guys, click on the link below and check out my website, my Telegram group. You're welcome to join. It's free. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.